Hi, this is video number 5 in a short series covering new C64 OS networking technologies. In previous videos, we used this utility to set up the driver, set up the Wi-Fi connection, and get connected to a CNP proxy server. And we can see down here that this says we're online. Now, when I close this utility, it actually says that we're offline. The reason is because the networking stack is not actually used by anything that's loaded into memory right now. So the networking stack's been unloaded, but it's all configured and set up, and the modem is actually already in a certain configured state. So now when we open a utility that needs to use the network, like the Moonphase utility, it's going to load in the networking stack, and you can see that it actually just pops to online right away. And as soon as it goes to that online state, this makes a request out to a networking server to get the current moon phase information, pulls it down, and it is indeed a full moon tonight. And we can flip through these dates here like this, hit get, and we get moon phase information for that date. And when we click this close button, we go back to it saying that we're offline. So this is telling us that there's no software loaded into memory right now that is capable of communicating with the network. And once again, if we go into the network utility itself, this flips back to online because this utility has loaded in those important network stack libraries and so on. And we can control whether we leave the CNP proxy server or we stay on it from here. That's it for this video, and I'll show you a little bit more in the next video. Thanks for watching.